Hi everyone! Accidentally deleted WhatsApp messages and don't have backup? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. No backup needed. So let's get started. Take note, this method mostly works on Android. For iPhone, third-party tools may be required. So let's focus on Android method here. So first you need to do is to open your file manager. If your phone doesn't have one, install a file manager app from Play Store. Then navigate to the internal storage and click the Android, then tap the media and go to the whatsapp.com and click the WhatsApp databases. Then select all the files in the databases folder. These files store your chat history locally. Copy these files. Then go back to the backup folders, and if it doesn't exist, create a new folder and name backups. Paste all the copied files into the backup folder and uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall again. During the setup, verify your number, and the WhatsApp will detect the local bases. Give your option to restore. And once restored, your previously deleted messages will reappear even without a cloud backup. And for iPhone users, you can use a trusted recovery tools like iMyFone chatbots or Doctor Phone WhatsApp recovery. And that's how you recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.